Good morning, dear students. This is electrochemistry, and in this we are going to discuss about easy way to calculate EMF of the galvanic cell using Nernst equation. Calculate the EMF of the following cell at 25 degrees Celsius. Copper 2 plus, salt bridge, iron 3 plus, iron 2 plus. Copper undergo oxidation, iron undergo reduction. The E0 reduction reaction electrode potential is 0.77 volt, but here what is the electrode potential value is given? Copper 2 plus copper, reduction is given, but actually here copper undergo oxidation reaction. During the calculation we have to change the sign of this value. Now, first I am going to write the anodic oxidation and cathodic reduction reaction. Anodic oxidation, we know in anode oxidation reaction takes place. Our anode is copper Cu, undergo oxidation, lost 2 electrons and becomes copper 2 plus ion, anodic oxidation. In cathodic reduction, Fe3 plus ion, that is given in our cell notation, is reduced into Fe2 plus ion. For copper, the reduction potential is given, but it undergo oxidation reaction, therefore the sign is changed. Minus 0.34 volt. For Fe3 plus Fe2 plus, there is no change in the electrode potential, plus 0.77 volt. When we add the two reactions, we have to equate the number of electrons in both the equations. Here there are 2 electrons, but here gain of 1 electron, the reaction takes place, we know. Gain of 1 electron. So, 2 electron, 1 electron, we have to equate the number of electrons. So, for that, the second equation is completely multiplied by 2. Completely multiplied by 2. What happens here? 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. Now, 2 electrons get cancelled. The overall redox reaction is copper Cu in solid state, copper solid, plus 2 Fe3 plus ion, which is in aqueous medium. Its concentration value is given in our problem. Copper 2 plus in aqueous, plus Fe2 plus also in aqueous medium. Now, this is the overall redox reaction. For this redox reaction, now we are going to calculate the standard electrode potential value. Now, I write the formula used to calculate standard reduction potential. E0 cell is equal to E0 anode oxidation takes place plus E0 cathode reduction takes place. That is equal to E0 anode value minus 0.34 plus E0 cathode value 0.77. So, E0 cell equal to, when we subtract these two, 7 minus 4 equal to 3, 7 minus 3 equal to 4, 0.43 volt plus value. Now, I write the Nernst equation for this overall redox reaction. For this overall redox reaction, now I write the Nernst equation. We know E cell equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 divided by N end log of concentration of product, concentration of copper 2 plus into concentration of Fe2 plus by concentration of the reactant copper and concentration of Fe3 plus square. Already we missed to write 1 2. Here 2 Fe3 plus 2 Fe2 plus 2 Fe2 plus. Therefore, in this equation Fe2 plus square and also Fe3 plus square. That is very most important. Now, all these concentration values are given. We know the concentration of metal is always equal to 1. Copper is a metal. Concentration of metal is always equal to 1. Now, I write the concentration values given in our problem. Concentration of copper 2 plus that is given in our problem is equal to concentration of copper 2 plus is equal to 0.25 molarity, that can be easily written as 25 into 10 power minus 2 molar. Concentration of Fe3 plus is also given in our problem, that is 0.005 molar. Convert it into 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 3 molarity. Concentration of Fe2 plus given in our cell notation is 0.1 molar, that is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 1 molarity. Substitute all these values in this formula and also substitute the value of E0. How many number of electrons involved? 2 electrons are involved in our cell reaction. Therefore, substitute all the values. Then we move into the next page. E cell is equal to E0 cell 0.43 minus 0.0591 divided by number of electrons involved is equal to 2. Log of copper 2 plus ion concentration is 25 into 10 power minus 2 into Fe2 plus ion concentration is 1 into 10 power minus 1 is simply taken as 10 power minus 1. Here square we have divided by copper concentration of metal equal to 1. Fe3 plus is given as 5 into 10 power minus 3 square. 5 into 10 power minus 3 square. So, that is equal to 0.43 minus 0.0591 by 2 end log of 25 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 5 square equal to 25 into 10 power minus 6. You can easily cancel. 25 get cancelled. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 6 get cancelled. We have 10 power minus 2 in the denominator. Now bring the 10 power minus 2 to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 2. 10 power plus 2. Therefore, E cell is equal to 0.43 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 ending log of 10 power 2 to the base 10. Log b power a equal to a log b. 0.43 minus 0.0591 by 2. When you bring this log b power a equal to a log b, 2 log 10 to the base 10 equal to 1. So, here 2 get cancelled. Now, we can calculate E cell 0.43 minus 0.0591. Just we have to subtract these two quantity. 0.43, 0.0591. When you subtract 10 minus 1 equal to 9, 0. 12 minus 5 is equal to 73.0 plus quantity. Electrode potential of the cell equal to 0.3709 volt. So this is how the electrode potential EMF is calculated from Nernst equation. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.